Learn Simply. Today we will learn about definition of preposition and types of preposition. Preposition indicates the relationship between a noun and the other words of a sentence. They explain relationship of a sequence, space and logic between the object of the sentence and the rest of the sentence. They help us understand order, time, connections and positions. Example, he is going to school. John threw a ball into the pond. The gift is inside the box. She has gone out of the town. Types of prepositions are preposition of time, prepositions of place and direction, preposition of agents or things, phrasal prepositions. Preposition of time shows the relationship of time between the nouns to the other parts of a sentence. On, at, in, from, to, for, since, ago, before, till or until, by, etc. are the most common used preposition of time. Example, it started working at 10 am. The agenda meeting is on 12th December. Exams are in March. She starts work from Monday. Prepositions of place and direction. Prepositions of place shows the relationship of place between the nouns to the other parts of a sentence. Example, it is at home. She came from Poland. The water tank broke into the house. It is across the river. Preposition of agents or things indicate a casual relationship between the nouns and the other parts of sentence. Of, for, by, with, about, etc. are the most used common prepositions of agents or things. Example, this article is about preposition. Most of the students have left. She will always be here for you. She is playing with his brothers. Phrasal prepositions is not a prepositional phrase, but they are combination of two or more words which functions as preposition, along with, apart from, because of, by means of, according to, in front of, contrary to, in spite of, on account of, in reference to, in addition to, in regard to, instead of, on top of, out of, with regard to, etc. Examples, they came along with their luggage. According to the new rules, you are penalized. In spite of being a good brother, he was beaten by his own sister. It is located out of the town. In next tutorial video, you will learn about definition of conjunction and types of conjunction. For detailed explanation with notes, you can visit our website www.learnsimply.com. You can also connect with us on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and please hit the bell icon. Share this information with your friends and family. You can visit www.learnsimply.com to learn many new things. Many free online courses are available. Thank you for watching.